Today we're going to learn how to install Homebrew on M1 Macs. We're going to learn to install them natively and through Rosetta too. Alright, let's begin. First, we go to Applications. Over here, you have to go to the Utility folder. Right click on Terminal. When you click on Get Info, you should see Open with Rosetta. When you when you click this, you're going to be using Rosetta to install a Homebrew. Otherwise, if you want to install them natively, you can just simply go to the terminal and before we go there, we look for the command. Here you go. Copy this, drop this in the terminal. So it looks like we successfully installed Homebrew. To check, I just type brew help. There you go. Looks like I had to add the path to my Z profile. In my case, it was another file. I've done that. And that is how you install Brew using Rosetta 2 or Rosetta on the Silicon Macs. The other thing that we have to do is we can learn to install it natively. I'll take it up in my next video.